What's up guys? I do hope you are all having a great day. It's your boy Jay back at again with another E46 video. And in today's video we are going to be talking about how to maintain and extend the life of the engine in your E46. If you guys are E46 fans, or if you have had E46s before in the past, you guys know that these engines are bulletproof. These cars are tanks. They're durable, but you gotta do as much as you can to make sure that the engine stays healthy so you can keep your E46 running for a long time. And I'm going to give you some tips and advice that you guys might already know, but think of it as a reminder to do these things so you can keep your E46 going for a long time to come. The first thing's a given, but you guys know, I gotta remind you, stay up to date with the oil change schedule for your car. With high quality synthetic engine oil will keep the engine running strong for many years to come. Make sure you do it often, make sure you do it as scheduled. If you guys are putting your car through some heavy use, change it sooner than later, and it'll be very good for your engine. That's a given. You guys should know that. Anyone who owns a car should know that they should keep up with the oil change schedule for their car. It'll just help out the engine for the long run, and your car will thank you by running. Next thing, this is something you should do probably every weekend or something. Pop the hood open and check all the oils, the coolant, the fluids. Check, make sure they're all at level. Make sure the steering oil is good. Make sure the brake oil, the transmission oil, the coolant oil, the engine oil. Make sure it's all good. I think with these cars there's no dipstick or anything to check the transmission oil. Make sure to check all the fluids. If they're low, make sure to top them up, because if one thing's low, it could cause a chain reaction of issues, which overall will just harm your car and harm the engine. So make sure all the fluids are topped up. This is something you should do every week. Pop the hood open. It will only take you like 15 minutes. Pop the hood open and check all the levels. Make sure the car is off. Make sure it's been cooled. It's not when the car is hot. Just check. Make sure it's all at level. If it's not, top it off, and you should be good to go. And the third thing is, make sure if you guys have the original manual, that's perfect. Open that up. But if you guys don't, go online, find a Haynes manual or whatever, and check the recommended maintenance schedule of the car. Not just the oil change, I mean everything, like the belts, the hoses, the fluids. Check, like, make sure to keep up with that schedule as well. These cars, yeah, BMW is gonna get a bad rap that they're high maintenance stuff, but they are. But that, as long as you keep up with the maintenance, these cars will run forever. Like, sure, it's not a Honda where you could like forego an oil change for like a long time, or a Toyota Corolla or a Camry, but these cars aren't made like that. Stick with the schedule, like maintain your car. Like if you feel like something's going bad, as a precaution, swap it out, fix it up, change the oil, change the fluids, and it'll help you maintain your car in the long run. Like these cars, yeah, they're high maintenance, but if you maintain them, it will go on for a long time. Like for example, for me with this car, I did not maintain this car for many years. It had issues starting up again. It's finally starting up, and now it starts up again, and it's back on the road. Like I'm driving as we speak. And as long as you maintain these cars, they will keep on going. And that's pretty much my 3 reminders to you guys. Make sure you change the oil as recommended every 5,000 kilometers or every 3 months. If you guys are putting your car through more use, like you're driving more than you were usually, or if you're like street racing, drag racing, or whatever with your car, change it quicker than that, and it'll thank you. Every week, pop the hood open, or every couple of days, pop the hood open. Make sure to check all the fluids, make sure they're all leveled off, and if they're not, top them off. And lastly, stick to the recommended maintenance schedule. because changing things like the spark plugs, the gaskets, the seals, the oils, the fluids will overall help the engine stay strong for a long time to come, and you guys can keep enjoying your E46 for a long time to come as well. So with that guys, I'm going to end today's video here. It's very short, it's pretty much common sense, but I'm giving you guys a reminder that it's the winter time. You guys might be bored, your car might be parked in the garage. Do some maintenance on it. Get ready for the next car season, okay? Alright, it's your boy Jay signing out. If you guys found this video helpful, informational, or entertaining, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below and liking this video as well, so we can hit 1K by the end of the year. As you guys know, I record mainly motor vlogs with car content, truck content, all that type of stuff on the side right now. But if we can get the page to 1K, I will definitely start investing more in the E46, making more car content, and we'll be purchasing another bike as well for the channel for content. But it's only if we hit 1K. So with that guys, I'm going to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.